How to check in with Air China. So first you need to open up your browser and type in Air China. And then head over to the website Air China. Now I'm going to translate it into English, and here you will have the option to change the language if you don't have it here. So there you go, it's translated. Now to check in, you need to find the check-in option, which is the third one from here. Click check-in, and we need to translate this page as well. Here you will enter the passenger's name, the passenger ticket purchase ID number, the ticket reservation code, and the departure and arrival airport. Now before you type these in, make sure you read these warm tips. Checking in just tells the airline I'm here and I intend to take this flight. When you check in, your seat is confirmed, you receive your boarding pass, you can check your luggage, and the airline knows you're traveling. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.